Everyone, my name is Mikey and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today on my YouTube channel, I will show you how to make a poster on COVID-19. This video, so you guys just stick along. I will show you how you can make a poster on COVID-19 just by using Microsoft PowerPoint. So guys, I am on my laptop and the first thing I did is to launch my PowerPoint app, and now you can see a poster. This poster I made it, so now I will show you guys how the way you can make the poster. So now with PowerPoint, so now what I'll do is that I made a new slide, and the first thing I did when making this poster, so let's start guys. The first thing I did was that I did the gradient. That's the background. So the gradient is the background. And now for the background, I'm in a new slide and I am on my own page. So now the first thing I will do is I'll go to design. Now under design, I'll go to format the background, and then under format the background, I will pick a gradient. So now I'll go to gradient field, and now you can see the gradients that I have. So now it's giving me a kind of bluish gradient. So now let me see what I use here. Yeah, I use like dark blue. After dark blue, I came to yellow, and then I came to red. Yeah, dark blue. So now let me go for dark blue. This one. So now let me click away. This one, I'll click on a gradient right here. This is a gradient. See, as I move it around, it affects it. So now I'll take it here, and then this one I'll click on it, and I'll change the color into dark blue. As long as that is done, I'll come back here. I see that here you can see that I use like a yellowish color. So now I'll come and pick another gradient and make that yellow. And you can see that I use like a reddish color. So now what I'll do is that I'll come right here and pick red. It's coming as so now I'm sure that by now you guys have seen that it's coming out a little bit. And yeah, that red, orange, blue, that is it. At the top is like white, a little of white. So now this one I can make it to be a little of white to brighten up things. I'll make this one white. So now what I'll do is that I'll start adjusting. No, what I do, Control Z. I did something. Yeah. So say that I'll make this one white. White. So now I've made that white, I can come right here and start adjusting. The blue is down. So now I'll bring the blue all the way here down. Before I bring that the white of shade, and then I'll bring the blue down. You cannot be adjusting things and then you figure out something. And so now the blue is down. What again? The yellow follows by it follows by the yellow. The blue follows the yellow, and now after that it follows by the red. It follows by the red, and this is red. I can probably adjust this, and the blue again I can bring that up a little bit. I can bring that down. I think I'm getting somewhere. Then the yellow looks too bright, so I can click on that and I come to here, more colors. I can click on this. Let me try this here. This is it. This yellow. I use this yellow. So now this is it. I think the yellow has kind of faded a little bit. It now looks kind of a little bit darker, and the white is the one at the top right, bringing this kind of whitish brightness to our gradient. So now the white I can adjust that. So now guys, what I'm using right now is I'm using a linear gradient. So guys, now this is it, and now you can see that I'm putting like the gradient, but I didn't quite get it well, but I'll take that. So now the next thing I did was that I instead a picture of not shaking of hands, because COVID-19 I will not shake hands anymore. Sorry. So now what I did, I went online and then I browsed people shaking hands animation, and I'm going for an animated one. So now I'll browse this, and now I'll pick the one I like. You can pick the one you like. I saw one that I liked. Yeah, this one can go for that. And if I scroll down, I can also see more similar to that. Yeah. So now what I use is that I'll right click on it and say copy image. And now I'll come to my PowerPoint, and then what I'll do is to paste the image. And click on paste. I can still press Ctrl V, but now I'll click on paste. And then it's converting the cell for information. So that means it's pasting. If it shows that, don't be afraid. It's just pasting the image you copied. I seen it from a line. It's pasting it. So now this is the image, and now you can probably see this. I didn't quite get the. I didn't quite get. I didn't quite get the image I used, but I've gotten one similar to that. So now for this when I picked it, it was straight, just like this on the hand. So what I did was I kind of noticed that maybe the person by the left side is taller than another person. So guys, this is it. And now what thing I can do is that I drag it here, and I can also enlarge this. So now this is saying that the person at the left is kind of taller than the person at the right. And now what I can do is that you can see that I kind of create a splash, like a splash, to make it look more attractive. So do that. I use the remove backgrounds tool. I'll click on that and say that it will let me click away. As I click on this, look up here, you see nothing, but as I click on that, you see that if you open a new format called picture format, and I'll click on that, and I'll click on remove background. But as time goes on, I'll show you guys the way you can remove backgrounds from photos. Please subscribe so that by the time I make a video on the way you can remove backgrounds from photos by using PowerPoint, you get notified. So now we're here, and what I did that I said that I use this tool of the remove background. So now I'll click on the remove backgrounds tool, and now you can see that. So now what I'll do, I'll mark areas to keep. I'm marking areas to keep. So you keep these areas. So now let me tell you guys something about it. The purple part is the part that will go. The purple part will not show. So now you can see that so the purple part is on the hand. So now I will remove that from the hand for the purple part. This side again, it needs attachments. The side needs touches. And then the hand outside right here, I get that. So guys, now I have my class to keep and see the hand, but and then you can see the purple part is the background. So now if I click keep changes, it has gone. The white background has gone, but now I want that back. So now I'll go to remove background again. Now what I'll do is that I'll also mark areas to keep, and I can mark some white part out of here to keep for it to keep, and I can see it. I'm marking some parts out of there. Mark areas to keep. So guys, this might take a while. Also mark here the top a little bit. So guys, I'm done, and then it took a little time, but also like a minute. So now I've done this. I came and rotated it. So the person at the left hand side will be taller. A person at the right hand side. So now the person on the left is taller. And I can leave that like that. And now what I'll do right now is that I'll come right here. Now show this a little bit. I'll come right here, and then I can also bring this down. So now I'll come right here and then go to insert, and then under insert, what I'll do that I will insert a shape. I will insert. Show you guys more explanation. This X means no handshake. Don't shake. So now I will insert that X sign. So I'll go to insert shape, and for the X shape, this is it's like the multiplication sign. I'll click on that and leave it, and I'll just draw it on it. Don't check in. COVID-19 is real. Don't check. So now I'll bring that the no handshake at the cancel sign, and then what I do that I make that red so it should look like attention. I'll make that red shape fill. I'll make that red. and I can really slim this a little bit, and I can rotate it again. I can also reduce that, carry it, so that I can see it is coming out, but here inside it was empty, but outside it was red. So now to do that, what I'll do is I'll click on it, and then I'll go to the shape format. After I click on that, and I'll go to shape fill, no fill, but now I can't see it, but I'll go to shape outline and put the weight of the outline to be very thick. You can see it's coming out, and then the outline should be something more of red. Shape outline should be thick. I made that thick, but you can see that it's not that thick. So now what I'll do is that I'll come right here. So now I'll go to more lines, and I am in more lines. What now I'll do is that I'll go to the width, and I can be increasing that. I see that it's increasing, so now let's go that down. You can see that it has gone somewhere. So now we'll cancel this, and now this I'll cancel. So now for the writing is simple, it's just easy. No handshake, please. COVID-19 alert. I'll write that. I'll go to insert and insert a text box. I'll type no alert. So now what I'll do that I can bring this please down, and then I'll enlarge this. I'll enlarge this, make it something more of 96. That should do it, and I'll drag it inside, and then I can bring this COVID-19 alert down again for spacing. The no handshake can also come down for spacing. You can see it right here, it's coming out. I'll align that again with Ctrl A. I'll make it bold, and what I'll do that the handwriting, I use Algeria for the handwriting. I split right here, Algeria, and use that. So now what I'll do is that I can make this black, but I can leave it as black. But now what I'll do is that I'll make it to be white. Like I said, it's white now, and then it's white just like this one. So now I made this some kind of creative by using a COVID-19 picture to replace COVID. So now what I'll do is that I'll clean this right here. I'll clean this, and then I went online and then I browsed for some pictures of COVID-19, and I got that. So now what I'll do, I'll insert that. I'll go to insert pictures from this device, and now I'll insert a picture I got on COVID-19. I made it COVID-19 images. Now can pick any of these. Now I think I should go with the green one, or I can go with the blue one. It's a choice. With the red one, click on insert. So now I can type this, and now I will enlarge this a little first. So you can see that this white background is here. So now what now do is that I will remove this white background. So now I'll go to remove background under picture format, and I can see since the white background is like a solid background, it has gotten the parts to remove already. So that PowerPoint is very smart. So now but some parts here did not get it. Now so I'll still mark it to keep, but PowerPoint made it easy for me since it's a solid background, just white background. And now I'll keep this, and now what I'll do is that I'll keep my changes. Like I said, the background is out. I can crop this now. The background is not out. Crop here, crop here, crop down, and crop it. Now this is it, I've cropped it, and now I will reduce this. I will shrink it, and now what I can do is that I'll space here out, and now I'll put it here, and I'll make that to overlap. Now so I can overlap, I'll just enlarge that, and I can see it. No handshake, please. COVID-19 alert, and then I keep the exclamation marks now. And let me do that for you. No handshake, please. I'll put the exclamation mark, and then this full stop, I'll remove that and put the exclamation mark again. So you guys can see it's no handshake, please. COVID-19 alert. So now in a poster, the thing that you should not forget is that you can put your name, because a company might see this online, say, wow, this is really cool, you did this, and then they'll see your name with your email address and say this person, let's contact him, so that can make posters for us, and then like that you start gaining money. So now what I did, I kept my name by Michael Ogbeasengwa, and I kept my contact by michaelgua@gmail.com. So now to do that, I came right here, I'll come right here and go to insert, and I will start another shapes rectangle. Now come here and just put it at the bottom right hand corner. I'll still shrink that. Which color did I use? I think I use like a lighter blue or something like that. So now I'll go for a lighter blue, and that shape format, lighter blue. I'll go for that. Is that it? Yeah, this is it. Now that is it. I've gotten the color I used. Look at it. So now now I type my name, go to insert, and then I'll insert a text box inside the rectangle. I'll type my name I'll put that kind of semicolon by Michael. And I'll put my contact. And I can see it. So now this text box right now, we enlarge that so that it will be straight. Then it's in a straight line. Now I can bring this in. What now I can do that this, I will reduce it, but here in the context I'll put like an exclamation. No, sorry, like a semicolon, and now I will reduce it. I'll kind of shrink the size. I think let me try it. For 16. What happened? Let me go for 14. Guys, I have figured that I can see a difference between the two. This is the first one I did, and the second one, as you keep practicing, you just keep getting better. What I can do is that I'll delete this, and I'll go to File, and I'll go to Save As, Browse, and I'll save it as a JPEG format, and I name it Poster. After that, I'll save it as a picture, and I'll save it as a JPEG file, and I'll save just this one. And now what I can do is that I can come and locate the file I just saved. And this is it. I can open that, and it opens as a picture. Guys, this is it. So now it opens as a picture. Alright guys, and thanks for watching. Alright guys, so it was a good review on today's topic, and I hope you enjoyed it, and hope you also learned something today. Please give the video a thumbs up, and also subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload new content just like this one. So guys, please subscribe. Subscription on this channel is free. Please subscribe. Bye, and hope to see you next time.